All right, Kevin, thanks. And as we enter the summer months, it's also important to keep an eye on our pets. We are joined by Dr. Wendy King and Andrea Walker, and of course, Minnie. Thank you so much for joining us and talking about heartworm prevention, so important this time of year. And Dr. King, you were talking just about the prevalence of heartworm in our area.
Yes, and I don't know if they could see that there's a map of the United States, and way down in South Carolina, it's really, really dark because there's so many cases of heartworms. And the reason that is because heartworms come from mosquitoes.
Yeah.
So mosquitoes fly around and they have the larva inside of them, and when the mosquitoes bite, they inject into the dogs, they inject the larva, and the larva migrate through the body and they end up in the heart. Now, Miss Minnie right here has heartworms. Pretty sad. She's a stray from a rural county. And Andrea Walker here from Fostering Foster brought her and rescued her. And they're going to get her spayed. She's had lots of litters. And they're going to treat her for her heartworm disease and potentially adopt her.
Oh, and she is beautiful. Look at just Minnie, just loving life here on the table. But I tell you what, treating heartworm, I can't imagine it's necessarily an easy thing, but what sort of treatments do we have available?
There's lots of different treatments for the heartworm disease, and you can have slow kill and fast kill. But the biggest thing is prevention. Is every month you give your pet something like this Iverheart, and it will kill the larvae that are inside the dog that have been injected in there so that they can't grow up into adults. This Iverheart is generic heartworm prevention. It is cheap. So for a small dog, it's maybe $3.50 a month, $3.50 a month. Or for a large dog, it might cost you up to $5 a month just to prevent it so that they don't have to go through all the treatment. Treatment for a big dog, you're looking at $800 to $1,000 to treat it. Okay. Not to mention the damage in the heart.
Oh, no doubt. But you, Andrea, are fostering this dog.
Right.
Wonderful.
So I'm the director of Fostering Foster, and she is at my house, but she's got to get that heart better.
Yeah. How's she responding so far? Are you doing okay?
Yes,
Okay.
she is.
It's good. She just doesn't like cats.
Okay, yeah, it seems like, a happy girl. All right. And again, a lot of these treatments, like you say, they kind of range in price and whatnot, but it's important to take care of it early as soon as you might suspect it.
Right. And the preventives also, they treat for heartworms, but they also treat for intestinal parasites. Those parasites are parasites that children can pick up too. So the heartworm prevention is important for the pets, but it's also important for the kids in the family.
All right. Well, certainly appreciate you coming by, and thanks for being such a good girl here. Minnie, loving life. We appreciate it. Dr. King, Andrea, thank you.
Thank you.